This inspector has gone crazy.
But in order to rescue the kids, I need someone else.
Sir, you can't drive the trawler, but you can rescue the kids at least.
Are we going to die now?
Radha, if the fuel gets over, then the bus will stop and the bomb will go off, right?
I think Mohan is in some dilemma. Otherwise, he would have never been so late in rescuing us.
Okay, I promise you all. I will save your children first, and after that I will save my family, okay?
Radha, don't worry about us. Everything will be okay. If we are together, no one will be hurt.
Yes, Radha, nothing will happen to anyone.
Mohan, I suggest both of you go back.
You are sweating out of anxiety, my dear. Wipe it clean. Otherwise, everyone will come to know that you are the culprit behind this.
Good job, Gungun. I am proud of you, dear.
I'm Tulsi and Mohan's daughter. It's obvious that I'm brave.
Listen, children. I need to go inside the bus for a moment. Don't be afraid. You are safe here. Should I go?
Okay.
Kitki, I'm coming inside. All right?
Mohan, be careful.
Yes, Mom. Get up, sir. We don't have time. Come on, sir.
May the Lord keep you safe. You did what you promised.
Hurry up, Mohan. Only 20 minutes are left for the fuel to run out.
Mohan, be careful.
It seems the impossible is going to be possible now, which nobody expected. Mohan Trivedi has not only saved those 20 children's lives, but he has also saved the driver safely and he has brought him out alive. Only the family members of Mohan Trivedi are left on the bus now. They are Mohan Trivedi's daughter, Mohan Trivedi's sister, and Mohan Trivedi's Radha. I mean Radha. Stay with us because the drama is not yet over. And as it said, there is a lot to come, my friend.
They have been talking nonsense for so long. But now he said the right thing. Mohan's Radha.
Mohan, you did it.
Did you see? My brother has fulfilled what he had promised. He saved your children. What were you saying? That you were in danger because of the Trivedi family. And that your children's lives were in danger because of us. But see, in order to save your children's lives, my brother risked his own life. He even risked the lives of our family members.
We apologize to you. Our children's life was in danger, so we all got worried.
Keep these apologies to yourself. Just pray to the Lord the way your kids came out of the bus. Our family members also come out safe and sound. If anything happens to my family members, I will...
Rahul, no one will be harmed. Mohan won't let anything happen to them.
Yes, Dad. I too want all this to get over soon. And I just want my family back safe and sound.
They will be back, son. They will be here soon.
I just want Mohan to be back to me safely. The others can go to hell.
Hey, Gungun. Come out now, dear.
Come on.
Gungun! Come out!
No! I won't come without Radha!
The fuel is about to run out. There is very little time left.
Gungun, hurry up, Gungun. I will save Radha. You just come.
Mohan, we don't have time.
Mom, Gungun, Mom.
What are you saying, Gungun? Mohan is calling you. Just go, Gungun.
No, Radha, I won't live without you.
Gungun, you know I must keep driving the bus, right? And if I stop the bus, you, Mohan, Ketki, Aunt Kadambari, and every child's life is in danger.
You tell all of them to leave. There should be someone to help you too, Radha. Aunt, you go. Mohan, take everyone and leave. I'm with Radha, and I'll come only with Radha.
Oh Lord Krishna, Gungun is being stubborn.
Gungun, please, don't be stubborn. We don't have time, Gungun. Please understand.
What might be the real reason that Mohan Trivedi is taking so long to rescue his family? Stay tuned with us for the news.
Come on, Gungun, come on.
No, I won't come without Radha.
Gungun, do you remember the story I told you about Lord Krishna? When Lord Krishna left Gokul and went to Mathura, Mother Yashoda, who was not his biological mother, raised Lord Krishna and loved him. When Lord Krishna had to leave, he was very upset when he was leaving Yashoda, and he was very, very sad. Neither of them was ready to leave the other. But to perform his duties, he decided to leave because a lot of people's lives depended on his decision.
There is little time left and Radha is narrating stories.
Gungun, when we need to take care of others and ourselves in our life, we need to take some tough decisions sometimes. So I request you, please go, Gungun.
Radha is right, Gungun. Please come.
Gungun, hurry up, Gungun.
Mohan, we don't have time.
Mom, Gungun, Mom. Gungun!
Go, Gungun.
Mom, I think I have to go inside.
Okay, son.
Has Mohan lost his mind? There's a bomb on the bus. Why doesn't he understand?
I know that.
You can see that Mohan Trivedi is going to enter the bus once again.
Why does he want to enter the bus again?
I'm sure Gungun has refused to come out without Radha. I know my daughter. Gungun is just like Mohan, who can't leave anyone alone in some problem. She can't leave anyone alone.
Gungun!
Are you like Mother Yashoda for me?
तेरी मैं बलाएं लूं, तुझे मैं दुआएं दूं, तुझको मैं खुशियों के साए दूं, सारी रात ये पहरा करे, कह तू चांद तारों को
You need not to ask me that, Gungun. A mother gives birth to her child. But your love has evoked motherly love in me. So you are my daughter. And I am your mother.
Okay, then promise me you will be alright and you will come out soon.
I'm sorry, Gungun. I have to make a false promise to you. Maybe this is our last meeting. But the way you honored me to be your mother in the last moments of my life, I'll pray to Lord Krishna that he let me be your mother in the next birth. Yes, Gungun. I promise you that I'll come.
Look, Radha, I will return to take you in some time, okay? Come on, Gungun, come on. Come, Gungun.
You called me your mother today. Won't you listen to your mother? Go. Go, Gungun.
Radha is right, Gungun. Please go to Mohan.
Come, Gungun.
Mohan is calling you. Go, Gungun.
Come.
Mohan, promise me that you will bring Radha out safely.
Nothing will happen to Radha, Gungun. I promise for that. I will safely bring Radha out, okay? Be quick, Gungun. We don't have time.
Careful, Gungun. Nothing will happen to you.
Gungun, please try.
Be careful, Gungun. I told you nothing will happen.
Thank God.
Look, our plan got spoiled.
Ketki, you come now.
Yes, Mohan.
Hurry up, Ketki.
Radha. Take care, Radha.
Yes, Ketki. You please go.
Ketki, careful.
Mohan! Ketki!
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 Is she dead? At least somebody died.
Ketki!
Are you okay?
I'm fine, Mohan. Had you not held my hand,
You have tied Rakhi around my wrist. I will always be ready to protect you. Be careful. Come on.
Mohan, is everything all right?
Yes, Mom. Ketki is fine. Hey, what happened?
my sari,
Ketki!
Mohan.
Ketki, easy. Careful, Ketki.
Mohan.
Ketki.
Mohan. She's safe. She's safe.
Is Ketki all
Thank
right?
the Lord, Ajit, that Ketki is fine.
Aunt Kadambari?
Mom! Mom! Are you all right, Mom?
I am fine. Mohan, I am feeling a little tired. Please hurry up.
Mom, just a little more time. Only Radha is left. We will take Radha out now, okay, Mom? Now I am going to get her.
Okay.
Hello?
Yes, Mr. Trivedi. You have done a wonderful job. You have saved the children bravely. Please bring them to the base to their parents. They are not safe in that vehicle.
But sir, Radha?
Mr. Mohan, please try to understand my point. The fuel can run out anytime and the bomb will explode. You can't sacrifice so many lives for one life. All your hard work will go in vain, Mr. Mohan, if the fuel runs out. Please don't put the children's lives in danger. Mr. Trivedi, we can't risk so many children's lives. Please try and understand my point. Bring them here, please.
Okay, sir, I'm coming to the base.
Yes, please hurry up.
Bye bye, Radha.
Mohan, is everything okay?
Mom,
Mohan?
yes, Mom, yes. Everything is okay.
Mohan? Please take the kids safely to their parents as soon as possible.
How can I leave Radha alone here? How will she come out alone then?
The officer said that we should focus on these 3 steps first. After that, we will talk about it.
Fourth step, yes. There was a fourth step to save Radha. The officer said that they had a plan to save Radha.
At least Radha is trapped.
At least one enemy of mine is gone, if not 2. Goodbye, Radha.
Radha! Radha, listen, I need to take the kids to the base. Their lives are still at risk.
Mohan, you go.
Yes, Radha.
Mohan, please don't worry about me.
I will whack you. Don't try to act smart, Radha. You just drive the bus. I told you I would return to take you. She is talking nonsense. Mom, take us to the base.
Oh, okay.
Why isn't Radha coming? Why is Radha not
Hey,
coming with
Gungun.
us, Mohan? I won't leave
Gungun,
without
see,
Radha.
Radha is driving the bus. I will come back to take Radha. I will return.
won't leave without Radha. What if she is hurt?
No, Radha won't be harmed, Gungun. I promise you, Gungun.
I won't leave without her, Mohan.
We don't have any other option, Gungun. Ketki, take care of Gungun.
Gungun, we may not meet again. Please, take care of yourself and Mohan. Mohan, I don't want to go away from you, but today I won't be able to escape death. But I'll leave with the satisfaction that Gungun and all the other children are back safely with their parents. Lord Krishna answered my prayers.
Mohan Trivedi has saved all the children and he is back. Children's parents are very happy. You can see smiles on their faces. It goes without saying that the hero of the Trivedi family lived up to his word.
Thank you, Lord Krishna. You have saved all the children. You kept so many parents from losing their children. Thank you. Everyone is rescued, but why don't I see Radha anywhere? Where is Radha?
Is she dead?
I think she died.
Mom, I'm sorry. I won't fight with you again. I love you so much.
Are you okay, dear?
Are you alright?
Are you okay, dear? Thank you, Mr. Mohan. You fulfilled the promise you made to us. Thank you so much. I really appreciate.
For saving the children. Thank you so very much, Mr. Mohan. All the children must have reached their parents safely by now. That was all I wanted.
Inspector.
Yes, you have done a great job.
Thank
Wonderful.
you. Now everyone is off the bus, Inspector. It's time to get Radha out. What is your fourth step? What's the matter, Inspector?
Mohan, the fourth step to save Radha doesn't exist.
What do you mean by there is no fourth step? Radha is stuck there in the bus. And you are saying that there is no rescue plan to save her? Why didn't you tell me that earlier?
Mohan, we had informed your family about that. And they forbade us to inform
Whom
you.
did you inform?
We had informed Damini.
Did you know that, Damini? That to save Radha at the end, we didn't have any rescue plan? Then why didn't you tell me that?
Mohan, actually,
Why didn't you tell me?
Son,
what would you do even if I told you, Mohan? We had to save the children anyhow. Mohan, you know, I had to choose between 20 lives and one. Tell me, what was I supposed to choose? Listen, Mohan, I knew that you were already very stressed about saving the children, and I didn't want to cause you more stress, Mohan. If I were in Radha's place, I would have also wanted you to save the children first, but not me at all. And I know Radha very well, Mohan. She would want the same.
Damini, after saving everyone, I can't leave Radha to die. I won't leave her alone. I'm going to rescue her.
Mohan, we won't be able to save Radha. She was so nice. She used to love everyone. We will never forget her huge sacrifice, Mohan.
Damini, she's not dead. She is alive. And I will bring her back safe and sound. Did you understand?
Everyone has been rescued safely and alive from the bus of death. But who was driving the bus? It's Radha, who hasn't been rescued yet. And according to our sources, the police don't have any rescue plan to save Radha's life, and that is true. In this situation, it's not wrong to say that Radha sacrificed her life in order to save 25 lives on the bus.
Radha!
No, Radha. No harm will come to you. You cannot die like that. Lord Krishna, you cannot do this. You separated me from Mohan, but please, let his Radha stay with him. Radha, you cannot die. You cannot die.
Lord Krishna, you helped me accomplish such a huge task. Thank you very much for that. It is time for me to leave. But I have just one small regret. I couldn't hug my grandma before leaving, Lord Krishna. And I couldn't seek Dad's blessings either. Gungun, please take care of my dad and my grandma. Lord Krishna, you gave me everything. You gave me a good home and a loving family, and before leaving the world, I experienced love as well.
Isn't your groom's name Mohan?
I, Mohan Trivedi, bear Lord Krishna as my witness in front of you and promise from now Radha is my responsibility. Besides, when Radha and Mohan are together,
Then they are hit. Mohan is your biggest gift to me. I can't thank you enough for that. Lord Krishna gave me the joy of being a mother.
I want to go home. I want to go back to Mom.
I couldn't have asked you for anything more. But before Mohan returns, I need to embrace death myself.
Mom, they don't have a rescue plan to save Radha, Mom. Radha is stuck there in the bus. I'm going now to save her.
Wait a minute, Mohan.
Mom, please. Mom, I know that you are concerned about me, but please don't stop me.
Mohan, I am not stopping you. In fact, I am also coming with you to save Radha. Mohan, I know very well how a mother feels when she sees her child in danger. Those mothers got to see their children again only because of Radha. I won't let anything happen to Radha.
Damini, now why are you sad? The biggest annoyance in your life will be gone soon. Radha, you will be dying soon. And now we will be celebrating.
Look at Mohan, Mom. Radha's life is in danger, but it looks like he's dying. Mohan will do everything in his power to try to save Radha.
Let's go.
Let's go, Mom.
Mom, Mohan, where are you going?
Mohan! Mohan!
Damini!
Mohan! Mohan, stop! Mohan, listen to me. Mohan, please! Mohan, stop! Mohan, please listen to me. Don't be silly. The bomb in the bus can explode at any moment. If anything happens to you, what will I do? Mohan, please don't go,
Leave
please.
my hand, Damini.
Mohan, please. Mohan!
Mom, let's go.
Mohan! Lord Krishna, you have always been there in every part of my life. You gave me the chance to live near Mohan. You just have blessed my life. But whatever you are doing now is probably right. Because I love Mohan so much that I can't see him marry someone else. Mohan, you have given me so much happiness that I am yet to fully appreciate them. But before leaving, I want to say something that I could never say to you. Mohan, I love you very much. I love you Very, very much, so much.
Radha! Hey, Radha!
Why did Mohan and Aunt come back?
Mohan, Aunt, why did both of you come back? Please, just go back.
Have you gone insane, Radha? Radha, we can't leave you to die here.
Mohan, don't you know the bus's fuel is about to run out? It's very dangerous. Please leave Mohan. Aunt, why did you bring him here? Please take him away. Please go.
We won't go anywhere.
Why, Mohan? Why? You have no idea that Aunt's life could be in danger because of you.
What if something happens to both of you?
Radha, will you just shut up? We will be fine, including you.
Radha! We are going to be all right, Radha. I can't leave my daughter to die like this. Don't worry about us. And stop talking about dying. It's not the time for that. Mohan!
Yes,
Don't
Mom.
listen to her. Mohan, think of a plan to save Radha.
Yes, Mom.
According to the police, in this operation, it was impossible to save the driver in this scenario. Despite that, Mohan Trivedi and his mother Kadambari Devi went towards the bus of death in order to save Radha. We will see if they succeed in saving Radha or die trying to rescue her. To know more, please watch our exclusive coverage.
Please, Lord Krishna, please, please help Mohan and Radha. Please help them. After losing me, Mohan can't lose Radha. He can't lose her. You know that. Radha means the world to Mohan.
Aunt, if anything happens to both of you, then Gungun won't be able to live without you.
How will Gungun live without you? Radha, I promised her that I would bring you back with me.
Mohan, I know that you won't leave me here. Therefore,
Therefore what?
I will kill myself.
Radha!
Hey, Radha, stop that nonsense. You won't do
What
it, Radha.
did she say, Mohan? What did
Radha,
Radha
no!
No, Mohan. I am aware that you are my teacher. But I won't listen to you at this moment. Please forgive me,
What?
Aunt Kadambari. I never saw my mom. But the day I saw you for the first time, you looked after me just as my real mother would have. I know that. Thank you for treating me like your daughter, Aunt. And Mohan, everything you have done for me till now, no words are enough to thank you for that. You taught me how to believe in God. You taught me to find light in the darkness. You supported me whenever I faced a challenge. And I love. Take care of yourself. Radhe Radhe.
Radha! Have you lost your mind? Why did you increase the speed of the bus? Mom, drive faster! Drive faster!
Mohan, what's going on? Why did Radha increase the
Mom,
speed?
I don't know. She's not listening.
I won't listen to you this time, Mohan. I won't put your and Aunt's lives at risk. Even if I have to die for that.
Radha, you will do no such thing, Radha.
I won't listen to you this time, Mohan. I won't put your and Aunt's lives at risk. Even if I have to die for that.
Mohan, ask Radha to slow down. Why is she going faster?
Mom, there is only one way to stop Radha. Mom, I need to go inside the bus.
But that is...
Mom, please understand. Radha won't stop the bus unless I'm on the bus. Now only Radha and I are supposed to deal with this. You stop the trawler once I am on the bus.
I won't leave you alone,
Mom,
Mohan.
for my sake, please.
Mohan!
Please, Mom. I need to go inside the bus, Mom. Please increase the speed, please. Radha! Radha!
Mohan!
Mohan?
Oh Lord Krishna. Please protect my son Mohan and Radha.
Mohan? Mohan, what are you doing here? Mohan, please go back. What are you... What are you doing, Mohan? Please go back, Mohan. Mohan!
I was wondering the same. What should we do? Let's not getting bored. Let's do something interesting. Let's play Antakshari. You start singing a song that starts with Z.
What are you saying, Mohan?
Fine, sing a song that starts with M, right?
Mohan!
What are you doing since long, huh? You bid me farewell, Radhe Radhe. Are you that eager to die, Radha? You watch too many movies. You want to be the epitome of sacrifice, but did you think about the people who love you? What will happen to them after you? Tulsi left me, but I won't let you go. Do you get it? Get off the seat. Hurry up, we are running out of diesel, Radha.
It's true that Mohan Trivedi has entered the deadly bus to save Radha, but he hasn't been able to save that girl. I mean to say, that girl Radha.
Mohan, Radha!
What you were supposed to do, that this Radha has done. I have a fear, my dear, that she takes up your position of being a daughter-in-law.
I'll be punished if anyone sees this photo. And what if the burning of the photo is a sign that something terrible is about to happen?
You know what, Kirti? Damini cares about Mohan as much as we do. She might be evil, but her love for Mohan is true.